So, similar situation. My personal favorite is the head squeeze. Okay, what I like to call the face smash, where people just wrap your head and squeeze your face as hard as they can. Okay, for whatever reason, it's something in our monkey brains. We feel like we're dominating people when we grab their heads like this. This literally does nothing, but it does kind of suck. I want to get out of this. Okay, but it's tough because we feel like we're stuck. I'm never stuck when my head is trapped. I'm stuck when my hips are trapped. But his hands are around my head. Right? They're holding on, they're squeezing, he's driving his shoulder into my throat. Go ahead. Give me some of that. Yeah, this is great. That's a good time. Right? Keep going. I want to make that stop. I'll know it stops when my voice is normal. Okay, so he's framing me, so I'm going to frame him. From the front of the face, I go to him, lock my hands together, relieve the pressure. Give me all the pressure you got. Okay, give me some more. Right? I can stop it easy. It sucks because it hurts Cole as bad as it hurts me. Because we're just exchanging this. With two hands, I got even better pressure. Okay? Make sense? Now we're going to do the same thing, but I have my flipper here to help me. Okay? Foot either to the floor. Because I have the frame, I generally don't need to use my legs. But if I need to, I need to. Okay? Use your legs. Shift your hips. Get underneath the leg here. Okay? If you don't get far enough, get some more. All right? Toes out by the knee, just like before. Instead of using the underhook to lift, I'm going to use my flipper to lift. Don't push. Lift. See how it lifts his head that direction? It starts it off. Makes the kick easy. Okay? Power hook. Are we good with this? We've all seen this for the most part? All right, let's drill it.